All right, let's be real. You want to make millions in e-commerce because you want that Ferrari. And in order to do that, you need some profitable ads. We all know that. And in order to find profitable ads, you need to test a lot of different ads and just turn off the ones that are not working, aka are not profitable, and scale the ones that are. But now we run in an issue because in order to be able to do that, we have to know which ads made how many purchases. The problem now is that all the advertising platforms like Meta, TikTok, Pinterest, and so on are showing us the wrong numbers nowadays. So they show us the wrong ad sets to be profitable and they show us the wrong ad sets to be unprofitable. And that is a huge issue because if we now scale ad sets that seem profitable because the numbers are shown incorrectly by the platform, we burn our money because we actually scale loser ad sets sometimes that didn't make any money at all. So that's a huge issue for anyone who tries to make a lot of money in e-commerce through advertising, and there is a simple solution, a solution that we use with all of these stores that we scale to 7 and 8 figures a year, and I will disclose our complete solution in this video. Let's hop right into it. Welcome to my MacBook screen. So the problem is Meta's original tracking is showing the wrong data, so you don't know which ads are working, so you can't scale and get that Ferrari. Very bad. What is the solution? It's using a third-party tracking software. And the best option here, that depends on your revenue. If you make below 40 grand per month, in dollars that is, go with Triple Whale. I will show you in a second, step by step, how to set everything up and how to get accurate ad tracking. So if you make above 40 grand a month, I would recommend to go with Hyros. For both of these options, I would recommend you to use those links in here or under the YouTube video because I secured better deals for you. So you will get Triple Whale or Hyros, you will get both of them cheaper if you use those links in here. So how to set everything up step by step, that's pretty simple. We'll show this at the example of Triple Whale. So you just go on here, click the link down below the YouTube video, and you click here on sign up now, create a new account. All right, once you are here, you just type in your email address. I'll just use some dummy email. Click on continue. Now you choose your account type. If you're an e-commerce brand, click brand, continue. So you just fill out your details here and go through all of those steps and always click continue. It is very simple. I'm not going to walk you through all of those steps right here. And then you just choose your plan on Triple Whale. You can really go with the cheapest one to begin with. And after doing that, the first thing that Triple Whale is going to walk you through is connecting your Shopify store to Triple Whale. So that's very simple. You can't really fail that. So after you did that, after you did that, you just connect all of your advertising platforms. So for example, if you run Facebook ads, you just go on Triple Whale, and what you do is you go here on the left side, you go on settings first and then on integrations, and then for example, if nothing is connected right here, you just click on Facebook, click connect, and it will walk you through the steps again. You just have to log into your Facebook account and then connect those two. That's very simple, and then repeat this process for all of your advertising platforms, and also if you do email marketing with Klaviyo. After you did that, there's just one last very important step, and that's implementing the UTM parameters in your ads. In order to do that, we hop over to Triple Whale again and we click on tracking settings. And once you're here, for all of the different ad platforms, you will see UTM parameters, and you can just click on copy right here. Those are the ones for Facebook ads. And then I just go on to the ads manager, and whenever I launch ads, at the bottom of the ads section there it says UTM parameters, and I just paste what I just copied here, and also show that exact process in another video where I'll show you how to set up 7-figure e-com ads step by step. Also show you where exactly to implement this code that we just copied right here. I'll link that video for you down below the video as well. So that's basically it. Once we created a Triple Whale or HYROS account, connected it to Shopify, and then connected it to our advertising platforms, implemented the UTMs in our ads, we are done, and we can now see the real data and see which ads it's really made purchases, how many they made, and how much revenue they made. So we can really find out which ones are profitable, so which ones we have to scale and which ones are not, so we have to turn them off. I will now show you just a quick overview on how it looks inside of Triple Whale and how the real difference looks like. So here we are in one of the Triple Whale accounts, and if we look in here, for example, we see that is the original return on ad spend that we see by Facebook itself. And here on this side, we see the return on ad spend, the true return on ad spend reported by a Triple Whale via the Triple Pixel. So you see already that there's a huge difference here. Here we see 2.32 ROAS, and here we see a 5.06 ROAS. So that's really huge difference, but also for some ads, we see that Facebook actually over attributes, and here Triple Whale shows us that we actually made less revenue through those ads right here. And this is very important, so we really see which ads to focus on, which ones to spend more budget on, and which ones to spend less budget on. That's such a huge difference. And my honest opinion here is it doesn't really make sense to advertise without either Triple Whale or HYROS if you don't have accurate ads tracking. Where's the point of advertising? If you launch 10 ad sets and then some of them may be profitable, but you do not know which ones, you have no chance of success. It's just way too hard. You have to know which ones are working in order to have success in e-com, in order to make those M's and get that Ferrari. That's my honest opinion. So I would really recommend everyone who's not working with any third-party tracking software at the moment to either, depending on your revenue, get HYROS if you make above 40 grand a month, and get Triple Whale if you make below 40 grand a month. That's it for this video. If you want to see a complete guide on how to set everything up in terms of ads and how we make 7 figures with multiple stores with just Facebook ads, you can click the link down below the video and watch that other YouTube video as well. That's it for today. I'll catch you in the next one.